How to clean vinyl straps on patio furniture. When you have patio furniture that sits outside day in and day out, it's easy for it to get grimy and look less than its best. Debris from trees, grass clippings and blowing dust and dirt can adhere to your vinyl pieces and give them a dingy appearance. Rather than purchasing new furniture, give your current lawn furniture a thorough cleaning and see if it doesn't shine like new when you're done. Things you will need: garden hose with spray nozzle, dish soap, bucket, soft bristled scrub brush. Spray your furniture down thoroughly using a garden hose with a spray nozzle. Spraying the furniture down dislodges a great deal of dirt and makes the cleaning process easier. Squirt 1/4 cup of dish soap into a bucket and add 1 gallon of hot water. Swish the water around with your hand to ensure that the dish soap dissolves and creates significant suds. Dip your soft bristled scrub brush into the soapy water and scrub your patio furniture down one strap at a time. Remember to do the underside of each piece as well, where the greatest amount of dirt often collects. Spray your furniture down thoroughly with your hose again to remove the soap suds and any remaining dirt. Allow your furniture to air dry in the sun. Tips warnings. Add 1 cup of bleach to your soapy water for stained furniture that won't come clean. Use rubber gloves to protect your hands whenever you clean with bleach.